Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone keeps freezing and lagging after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is disable background app refresh. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on background app refresh. Background app refresh, tap on it. You can see appears on screen background app refresh off and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is force close background apps. Background apps close all the apps from your home screen and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is clear history and cookies from Safari. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on Safari, scroll up. You can see appears on screen clear history and website data, tap on it. You can see appears on screen clear history, tap on it and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is check for app updates. Firstly, tap on App Store. Tap on profile icon and on the top right corner, check the app updates. Updates are available. Update your apps and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying is solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check your iPhone storage. Firstly, tap on setting app. Tap on general, scroll up, tap on iPhone storage. You can see appears on screen. And problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone keeps freezing and lagging after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.